Now I'll show you how to running our this lip gloss button and side and button labeling machine. I'll show you touch screen. Touch screen, you will see we have the automatic page, manual page, parameters page, I/O page, alarm page, languages. Okay, languages here: Chinese, English. Automatic page. Automatic is if we connection with this filling machine here, we should use this in online. If we need this connection with this cutting machine, we should like this out online. It means this one connection with this back side, and this one is for connection with this front side. Okay, so right now I'll show you the manual page. When we start this machine running, we will choose this function. Manual page I will show you. Manual page is just for engineer for testing. For example, it's one labeling, number one labeling, number two labeling. So it's two labeling, side labeling and the bottom labeling. So number one, number two. Okay, and testing we will for example we will check. You will say when we press testing, your label will come out. We can use this one first or just this check this labels come out this length. Normally we may just make sure this labels come out this one is same with this separated plate. This peel off plate. The peel off plate and then is match with this peel off plate or a little 1 millimeter this length come out is okay. Something like this you will see here. Okay, something like this is better. So how to see it? We can use here. You will see here. We can use this label flag or just this come out more or less. If you come out more, this number bigger. If come out this and this one reduce this number. Okay, this one this is number one. This is number two. You will see. According to this different diameter. If it's because this diameter versus this label this length the width is different. So this label flag should adjustment this one. Okay. So we will save this one and then we can use this manual page for check something like this. Label one, for example, test two. You will see here. We can use this one. You will see. If you, for example, if I change these parameters, I change to this number two. For example, number two I say like this 8, for example, and then we will check again. You will see here, manual page. It's right now is 8. You will see more come out more. You will see here. This is 8. You will see. Normally we just make sure this one same with this one is better. Okay, so we change back parameters. Number 2, this is 5. 5 is okay. Okay, so I will check again. You will see here. You see. So we use this one control this labels come out more length. So this is most important for this function also. Label and then you will see this label left and right. You will see left and right. Left is here. This one you will see left. Take out this one and then sock. Sock is for this vacuum. Okay. And then label down 1. You will see we have this big number. Label 1 up and down 1. Label 1 up and down 2. Okay. You will see the first one is sock. So this first one is should be come down and then sock label. And then up, okay, and then second one down, something like this. Okay, this process is like this. Okay, you will see. So we can use this function for manual check this machine. Sometimes if the machine have this problem, you can use this function for check each one is running okay or not. And also the second, this number two is also testing. And number 2 left and right also this one pure off plate. Pure off plate is come out and back. So these left and right. And then soccer. This one is soccer. You will see here, soccer. Okay. Number 2 label soccer. And then front back. You will see this one is front back, front and back. Okay. So normally this one is the label left first, and then we shoot this front, and then sock, and then back. Okay, and then move back, and then versus like this for labeling. Okay, this process like this you will see. Okay, so this is working process. So this one sock, this one come out the first, and then sock, and then back, and then push out for its labeling. Okay, This one you can adjust them here. If you some of the labels is not in the center, we can use this adjust here. You will see, adjust up and down. So make sure this one and sucker this center, okay. And also we can use adjust this one more or less, and then adjust this this position, labeling position, okay. And this is up and down for adjust this hold the bottles. So this one up and down for press the bottles. Make sure when you press and then not move, okay. And operating machine, this one you can say use up and down. You can use, and then right side is you will see here. This is left and right. This one also left and right, and then up and down, okay. The function. So this is the manual page. And this one is, you will see this is position model. Position model is here. This function was running for this some bottles with log printing, and then this one and then rotation, and then make sure this sensor will check, and then when this make sure it's not printing on this logo, so just a printing error. So this one is running, and then position clamp bottles and position up and down. You will see position up and down too. So you will see here, this one we will move up. The total complete one will move up, and then hold bottles and rotation, and then come down. This one is down. See here. This is position up and down 2. So position up and down 2, and downside position up and down 1. And this is rotation, and then this is hold. Hold is this one. Hold it, okay. You will see two cylinder versus hold bottles, okay. And then this is out input bottles. When this inside here, and then sensor check, and then this one will make it down. Make sure this fall into this box. So this is a page about this manual page. Parameters page, you will see here. This is number 1. This is common user parameters. Labor speed, and then labor flag, and then labor dispensing limited length. This one is for, if for example no labor. If this one no labor, and then it was alarm. Okay, it was alarm. So this is this function. And here, this one normally you no need adjustment this parameters. This one will really adjust this parameters. So normally no need adjustment. And this one is also, you will see this one is also just, so the 3 parameters. This especially this second one is the most important. Okay, and this is the coding function, and then this is also the same. And this one is round bottles and square bottles. This is the position function. Position function, you will see we have round bottles and square bottles. If we use square bottles, and then it will use this function, okay. Speed, it was rotation, this bottle speed, and then come down, put down, okay. You will see labeling this position, this degrees. This one is round bottles. If round bottles, this is, for example, its round speed is 50, and then after this check its logo, and then it was round 19, correct, change 90 degree this position, okay. So this is square bottle, this is round bottle. According to this one, you say this position function. Use this one, open. Not use this one, turn off. Okay, and then choose square bottles and round bottles. Okay, and then here's this parameters also loading set. We already set these parameters. And then you will see here's conveyor speed, and the stop time is we also loaded the adjustment. This one we already fix it. So you loaded the adjustment here. And this one also you load the adjustment here is function, okay. And recipe, when you use this recipe, you should just save it. For example, right now I keep it, save it, okay. And the next time you want to use, and then choose this one, and then download. You will see this one. For example, I change it to another one, and then you will see this 0, and then change to 0, 1. You will see parameters back, okay. Okay, have a parameter page here, okay. So this is we save it, okay. IO page is just to show you this problem, machine problem. If you can show us, we will know what problem, okay. IO page 1, IO page 2. This is there you have to show this label, how to put this label. You see how to put labels, okay. And then it's alarm. If it's machine alarm, and it was here, have to show what problems, what problem alarm needs. And also you can clear, okay. and then back languages. Automatic. That's it. Okay. When we running this machine, please reset. You say when we reset and then start. Machine will running. You say running. Our machine connection with the feeding machine, if we're running here and the feeding machine also running, okay? And then you will say, for example, right now if I have a photo here, and then you will come down, and then running, okay? So that's it. This is how to run our feeding machine.